Excuse me.
Good morning. Welcome to the transportation office. Sit down, please. How may I help you?
Good morning. I would like to file the retribution fee for doctor service and cargo handling service.
Sure. May I have your receipt, document, and cargo report, please?
We have the document.
Thank you. Please wait a moment while I check the data. Based on data, the docking service fee is 500,000 rupiah and the cargo handling service fee is 750,000 rupiah. The total amount is 1,250,000 rupiah.
Excuse me. I think the fee is higher than usual.
Let me recheck the calculation. The fee is based on the ship size and the weight on the cargo. After checking, the calculation is correct according to the local regulation.
Alright, thank you the clarification. Can I pay in cash?
Yes, you can pay in cash or by banking transfer.
I will pay in cash. Here is the money.
Thank you. Here is your receipt. Please keep it for payment.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Excuse me.
You're welcome. Now please. Tell me about yourself.
My name is Christina. I'm 27 years old and I have worked in the administration department for 3 years.
How do you want to work for this company?
I will do my best to do the work given to me.
How do you handle conflict at work?
I will invite my colleagues to do a briefing together.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Excuse me, good morning.
Good morning. What technical skill do you have for this position?
I am a civil engineering graduate.
What experience do you have in this field?
I owned an internship at Grad Construction Company in Jakarta.
Why are you suitable for this position?
Yes, I think this position is suitable for me.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, good morning.
Okay, please come. What's your name?
My name is Marcella.
How do you work in a team?
I am cooperative and respect everyone I live.
How do you handle pressure?
I make every list and stay focused.
What do you have you are angry or stressed at work?